That's what we are all here for. To join hands between Bandhan Life and Bandhan Bank to reach out to the customer to the last level and provide them financial security. Let's talk about the opportunities now in Bandhan Bank. What is it that we have? What is it that we need to leverage? And how is it that we are going to do that? Ki ache Bandhan Bank er kache? What does the bank has to offer? And how will we leverage with Bandhan Bank to increase the insurance distribution, insurance penetration in the bank? So for the bank, what we have for us is 1,700 established branches across the country. We have 14,000 branch banking force, which means employees who are based out of Bandhan Bank branches. 14,000, mind. So life insurance in Bandhan Bank in the last 3 years has been growing by about 35% business. That's pretty huge. And of course, when you talk about trust, Bandhan is all about trust. I think that's the core on which Bandhan as a brand was built. And by Forbes, they said that one of the most trusted bank across the world is Bandhan Bank. And it also is now known as Dada's trusted bank. So no question of trust on Bandhan Bank. It's largely actually based on trust. And of course, East being their natural market, East is where Bandhan Bank had started. So 58% of the branches are in East. So that's the reason we are doing this in East, and that's the reason we are starting in East. Number one, as Satishwar was also mentioning, it's about the right product for the right customer. That is something we are building together with the bank. All of you must know, apnara shobai janan je amra jokhon product banai, since we are working very closely with the bank, we take a lot of information from the bank. We speak to the people who are in the branches, the customer ki chahe. Basis that we make our products. So we'll make it competitive. And of course, service goes without saying. That's something, life insurance is a long-term relationship. We have to be with the customer during this entire product life cycle. It can be 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, but we have to ensure that service is something that we have to always offer to the bank that we have. Number two, it is our duty as Bandhan Life to support on-field distribution. So as an organization, we are putting about 1,000 people from Bandhan Life distribution. Third is, as I was talking about, digitized journey. We have the entire insurance journey completed. So when a customer walks in, we start talking about insurance. By the time he agrees and we do the processing, within 25 to 30 minutes, the customer has a policy document in his mobile. That's the process we have built. And as per the new regulation which IRD has said, that customer at Taka Nevarali, we need to do the entire processing before we take customer's money. Our puro underwriting process, insurance company, if we are okay with the journey, if we are okay with the customer, only then we debit the money. Very proud and very happy to share with all of you that is the process we had built earlier. So we don't need to do any changes. We are compliant with the new regulations. And one very, very important aspect in building this whole relationship at this point in time is training and enablement. We are investing as Bandhan Life a lot in training of our people, training of bank staff, to ensure that the final outcome that we are looking for, that providing the right solution for the customer what he wants is what we give. So summarizing, these are the 4 aspects that we will be working on: product and service, manpower, digitized process, and capability building. These are the 4 things which we all have been talking of is product. What is it that we are offering to the customers? The first one that is already in place is I guarantee Vishwas. This is a very simple. Apnader jonno etate bhabar kishoi nei. What you pay and what you get, everything is guaranteed. Ki dile ki paben, guaranteed. There is no question of if, buts, nothing. So that is the reason we have this in place, and we wanted to start with something simple, and this is simplicity in product. Next one. আমাদের সেন্সেক্স তো রোজ উপরের দিকে যাচ্ছে, তাই তো? Our stock markets are doing really well. So customers are actually interested in being part of that and building wealth. So hence the next product that we have just launched is our ULIP product, which we call the I Invest 2. I'll give you a little more details on that in subsequent slides. In about 3 to 4 participating product, as we call long-term regular income options, which will be given through our new product Sukh Samriddhi, which should be available with us by mid of October. But subsequently, we'll address all the needs of the customer protection and retirement. Retirement is a big segment, and we will have our annuity products very soon to cater to this segment of the customer, this need of the customer. So this is what are the product plan that we have, and of course we'll build, because there are IRDA regulations which come into play from 1st of October. We'll see how the market goes, and we'll develop products in line with the market demands and customer demands. As I was telling, that in 30 minutes you have your insurance in hand, flexibility, instant life insurance, guaranteed maturity benefit, কি দেবেন কি পাবেন একদম কাগজে লেখা, without any question in anybody's mind. Long term rate guarantee, 20 বছরের জন্য রেট লক করে দেবেন। আজকে যখন সাইন করবেন আপনি 20 বছরের জন্য রেট লকড। 20 years পর আপনি কি পাবেন is guaranteed from there. And of course we are giving as high returns at 6.55% for 20 years. 20 years is almost 6.5% return is what we are guaranteeing. So we were just talking. Now let me give you a visual representation of the product.
Determination are turning dreams into reality. This India is home to Diya, who dreams of building her own house, and to Anand and Priyanka, who aspire to secure their family's future. David wants to plan for a comfortable retirement, while Subhash aims to grow his business. Angad and Jasmine dream of turning their little one into a pilot. To empower and secure these dreams, we introduce Bandhan Life I Guarantee Vishwas. It combines guaranteed savings with the trust of life insurance. Take Ranjan, who wants to start saving for his retirement. With I Guarantee Vishwas, he can customize his plan and buy it within minutes without any documents. He just needs to pay the premiums as per his chosen plan and trust I Guarantee Vishwas to handle the rest. Upon maturity, I Guarantee Vishwas offers guaranteed returns of up to 6.5%, giving Ranjan the assurance to fulfill all his dreams. Now, let's talk about security. If something happens to Ranjan, his chosen nominee will receive the policy's life insurance death benefit, ensuring their dreams are fulfilled even in his absence. And that's not all. This plan also comes with tax benefits up to 46,800 rupees. Bandhan Life I Guarantee Vishwas is designed for you and millions of Indians like you to fulfill their dreams with the assurance of guaranteed returns. Because we believe it's possible. Bandhan Life, Bharat ki udan, Bandhan se. ডেভিডের পরিকল্পনা এক স্বাচ্ছন্দ্যময় অবসর জীবন, আবার সুভাষ চায় তার ব্যবসার ব্যাপক বৃদ্ধি। অঙ্গদ ও জসলিনের স্বপ্ন তাদের একমাত্র সন্তান পাইলট হওয়া। এই স্বপ্নগুলি শক্তিশালী ও সুরক্ষিত করতে আমরা নিয়ে এসেছি বন্ধন লাইফ আই গ্যারান্টি বিশ্বাস। এটি জীবন বীমার ভরসার সাথে ব্যাংক গ্যারান্টিড সঞ্চয়। রঞ্জনের কথাই ধরুন, যে তার রিটায়ারমেন্টের জন্য সঞ্চয় শুরু করতে চায়, আই গ্যারান্টি বিশ্বাসের মাধ্যমে সে তার পরিকল্পনাটি কাস্টমাইজ করতে পারে এবং কয়েক মিনিটের মধ্যে কিনতেও পারে, কোনো ডকুমেন্ট ছাড়া। তাকে কেবল তার বেছে নেওয়া পরিকল্পনা অনুযায়ী প্রিমিয়াম দিতে হবে, আর বাকি কাজ আই গ্যারান্টি বিশ্বাস করবে। ম্যাচুরিটির সময় আই গ্যারান্টি বিশ্বাস রঞ্জনকে তার সমস্ত স্বপ্ন পূরণের আশ্বাস দিয়ে 6.5% পর্যন্ত নিশ্চিত রিটার্ন অফার করে। এখন
সুরক্ষার কথা বলা যায়। রঞ্জনের যদি কিছু হয়ে যায় তবে তার মনোনীত নমিনি পলিসির লাইফ ইন্স্যুরেন্স ডেথ বেনিফিট পায়, যাতে তাদের অনুপস্থিতিতেও তাদের স্বপ্ন পূরণ হয়। আর এটাই সব নয়, এই প্ল্যানে 46,800 টাকা পর্যন্ত ট্যাক্স বেনিফিটও পাওয়া যাবে। বন্ধন লাইফ আই গ্যারান্টি বিশ্বাস আপনার এবং আপনার মতো লক্ষ লক্ষ ভারতীয়র জন্য গ্যারান্টি রিটার্নের নিশ্চয়তার সাথে তাদের স্বপ্ন পূরণ করার জন্য ডিজাইন করা হয়েছে, কারণ আমরা বিশ্বাস করি এটা সম্ভব। বন্ধন লাইফ, ভারতের উন্নয়ন বন্ধনের সাথে।